Hello friends, today we're gonna do the unboxing of Benito TURIN mixer jar. This is a 3-jar mixer grinder. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. This is the box of the mixer grinder with the basic information in the front. So let's do the unboxing. So inside the box you get one mixer unit and 3 jars plus a warranty manual. Let's unwrap the mixer unit. So this is the TURIN mixer grinder. Along with that you get 3 jars for it, for all your kitchen needs. One is a small jar for your chutney and wet grindings. Then there is a medium jar for your other needs. And there is this big jar for all the other needs. This is available in 2 variables, that is you can get a 3 jar and a 2 jar combination along with 4 color options. Okay, so this is TURIN mixer grinder. Thank you.